Now it's time to build our project. The .NET build command builds a project and its dependencies into a set of binaries. Since we are in the solution directory, it will build all projects within the solution. As the log shows, when we execute the .NET build command, .NET restore command also runs implicitly and uses NuGet to restore dependencies as well as project-specific tools that are specified in the csproj file. Although the .NET restore command runs implicitly, this command is still useful in certain scenarios where explicitly restoring makes sense. For instance, when creating Docker images and we need to explicitly control when the restore occurs. Alright, let's move on. One of the most important parts of programming is testing the project logic. Before we run the project, let's create an XUnit project. We are going to name it Product Management Tests. As before, we need to add the test project to our solution. In the Entities project, I'm going to add the Product class. This class contains several properties, product ID, name and size, as well as the isQualified method. In this method, we ensure that the product complies with standards. In the test project, we are going to test the isQualified method of the product class. Let's add the product tests class to the test project. We need to add a project reference of the entities class library. This is so that the test project has access to the product class for testing. Now we are going to run the tests. Let's enter the name of the test project. The .NET test command is used to execute the unit tests. This command builds the solution and runs the tests. As the result shows, all the tests are passed successfully. Next, we want to collect the code coverage. So let's rerun the command with -- collect option and its value. After running the command, a coverage file in XML format that containing the results will be published to the test results directory. Since we collected data from the unit test run, we can generate the coverage report using report generator. First, we use the .NET tool install command to install the report generator NuGet package as a .NET global tool. I'm using the Z shell, so I need to add the tools directory to the path environment variable as the log shows. Otherwise, the report generator command will not be available. For now, I prefer to run this command. Then we run the report generator command to generate the coverage report. This command uses the coverage file and generates the report in the target directory. Let's take a look at the generated report. The report is an HTML file, so we can open it in the browser. Alright, now we want to run the project. The run command provides a convenient option to run the application from the source code with one command. We need to specify a runnable project. Here, we want to run the product management API program. In addition, we can set custom URLs for our application. Let's paste the code in the terminal. We can use Ctrl-click in Windows or Command-click in macOS to open the URL in the browser. Alright, this is our masterpiece. This brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to use .NET CLI to publish our project. I'm Mohammad Sahebhonar, and once again, thanks for watching.